Welcome to the course Responding to Name Call. This program is designed to guide you as a parent or caregiver in helping your child learn to recognize and respond to their name, which is a foundational step in communication and social interaction. Responding to their name is one of the earliest signs of social connection. It's an essential skill that helps children engage in communication, build relationships, and participate in daily activities. In this course, you'll learn how to teach your child to recognize their name, respond to it consistently, and generalize the skill across different environments and situations. We'll also address common challenges and share practical techniques to overcome them. This course will walk you through proven strategies, including creating a focused environment, using positive reinforcement, and introducing fun games and activities to make learning enjoyable for your child. Each video in this course is designed to be practical, easy to follow, and supportive. From understanding the importance of name responses to progressively increasing complexity, will provide you with clear, actionable steps at every stage. Every child learns at their own pace, and this journey is here to empower you to support your child's journey. Celebrate small victories, stay patient, and know that progress is progress, no matter how small. Thank you for choosing to join us in this journey. Together, let's help your child build a strong foundation for communication and connection. Let's get started. For more resources, visit our website. Follow us on social media for tips and updates.